Good afternoon. Myself Venkat Sai and I am from Tirupati, currently staying in Bangalore. I have completed my graduation BTech from SV College of Engineering in the year of 2023. After completing my graduation, I have searching for an IT job. Then I have referred to so many contacts. Then I have not utilized anything. Then I got to know about Evision TechnoServe through my friend, and he suggested me to join for 45 days internship training. Then I started my career with Evision on March 3rd as a IT internship of 45 days. There I have got learned about networking, CCNA, virtualization, Windows administration, Windows server, several things from them. And they had been teached from a basic level. Then I started, and then after completing my 45 days internship, I got placed in Movate company in Chennai. Thank you, Evision team, for this giving this opportunity to me. And I suggest people to join in the Evision TechnoServe and utilize their opportunity and to get a job early nowadays. Don't get late. Thank you.